Stuart Lubbock was a meat factory worker from Essex, England, who died under suspicious circumstances at the home of television personality Michael Barrymore. The original investigation, carried out by Essex police, was itself to be investigated by the Independent Police Complaints Commission. The investigation was prompted by a formal complaint lodged by lawyer Anthony Bennett on behalf of Lubbock's father on 4 December 2006. The precise terms of reference of this major inquiry were still open in May 2007 and under discussion between the IPCC and Bennett. Lubbock was pronounced dead at the Princess Alexandra Hospital, Harlow at 8:23 a.m. on 31 March 2001. Michael Barrymore and two others present, James Feuders and Simon Shaw, reported finding Lubbock unconscious in the swimming pool of Barrymore's home in Roydon, Essex on the morning of 31 March 2001. He was wearing only boxer shorts. He was discovered by the pathologist at the hospital to have serious anal injuries with traces of ecstasy, cocaine and alcohol in his blood. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.